Welcome to the channel Step in Maths. My name is Ramesh from Javagara. Now I would like to introduce some of the maths tricks which are useful for all the competitive exams like banking, RRB and SSA. Now let us discuss some of the tricks. First one is any number multiplying with the digit 5. Any number multiplying with the digit 5. How to write the answer for this? Without multiplying 5 with the 5. First one, let us take one example. 5 4 3 2 7 6 9 3 8 2 into 5. But as usual, how you will multiply here? First multiplying with the 2, next multiplying with 8, and then so on until 5 you will go on multiplying. But I do not multiply like this. But I will write the answer directly as 2 7 1 6 3 8 4 6 9 1 0 is the answer. Not only these numbers, you can take any numbers like 9 6 5 3 2 7 4 3 2 8 4 6 into 5. Not only these numbers, you can take any numbers. What is the answer for this also? 4 8 2 6 6 3 7 1 6 4 2 3 0. How to write the answer without multiplying with the 5? But we shall take smaller numbers like 8 4 6 into 5. What is this answer? 4 2 3 0 is the answer. How to write the answer for this? First we should write 0 at the last digit. What is the answer for 846 into 5 means? First we should write always 0 at the ending digit and dividing with 2. First we should keep 0 at the last digit and dividing with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 0. 4 2 3 0 is the answer. And next we shall take another number 8 6 7 3 2 into 5. The answer for this directly I will write here 4 3 3 6 6 0. But how to write the answer? First we should write 0 at the last digit and dividing with 2. 8 6 7 3 2 0. First we should write 0 at the last digit and dividing with 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and the remainder is 1, it becomes 13, 2 6s are 12 and the remainder is 1, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12 and 0. What is the answer for this is also 4 3 3 6 0 is the answer. Next we shall go for the digit any number multiplying with 25. Even for this also no need to multiply with the digit 25. How to write the answer? Let us take the example 8 4 3 6 2 5 2 into 25. Whatever may be the number, when you are multiplying with the digit 25. The answer for this is 210 906377. Not only these numbers, we can take any number of digits. If this is the number, when we are multiplying with the 25, but you people will do as usual multiplication like 25 4s are 100, 25 8s are like that you are multiplying, but no need to multiply like that. The answer for this is also 1 1 7 1 0 8 double 1 7 1 0 8 1 8 7 4 2 1 double 0 is the answer. But now let us take the smaller numbers like 8 4 3 2 into 25. How you are multiplying with the digit to 25? The answer for this is also 210,800. How to solve this one? Whenever we are multiplying with the digit 25 means, first we should keep 00 extra. First we should keep 00 extra and then dividing with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4 and 3 is lesser than 4, keep 0. Now it becomes 32. 4 8s are 32 and 00. 2108 00 is the answer. And next one more example. 3684 9632 into 25. The answer for this is also 921240800. But how to write the answer for this is 368. First you write the digits as it is 3684 9632. When you are multiplying with the digit 25 means first we should keep 00 at the last digit and dividing with 4. This is must. First we should keep 00 at the last digit and dividing with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is the remainder? 1. It becomes 16. 4 fours are 16. Now 3 is lesser than 4, keeping 0, and 4 8s are 32 and keeping 00 as it is. 921240800. This is the right answer. Whenever you are multiplying with the digits 125, here also how to write the answer. Let us take some examples. 32 48 96 04 0 125. The answer for this is also 4 0 6 1 2 0 5 0 is the answer. Let us take one more example. 5 6 7 2 8 4 9 6 into 125. The answer for this is 7 0 9 1 0 6 2 0 0. When you are multiplying with 125, let us take the smaller numbers like 3 2 8 9 6 into 125. The answer for this is 4 1 1 2 0 0. First you write the number 32896 as it is. First you write the number 32896 as it is, and next keep 000 extra here. Keep 000 extra and dividing with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, and the remainder is 1. It becomes 16. 8 twos are 16 and 000. When you are multiplying with 125, keep 000 extra and dividing with 8. Now let us discuss once more. Any number multiplying with 5. Any number multiplying with 5 and keep 0 extra and dividing with 2. And any number multiplying with 25, keep 00 extra at the last digit and dividing with 4. And any number multiplying with 125, keep 000 extra and dividing with 8. Keeping 0 at the last digit means that is multiplying with 10 and dividing with 2. Multiplying with 10 and dividing by 2 means 10 by 2 is equals to 5. And keeping 00 at the last digit means multiplying with 100 and dividing by 4 is equals to 25. And keeping 3 zeros at the last digit means multiplying with 1000 and dividing with 8, which is equals to 125. Now we shall discuss about the any number multiplying with the digits 9, 99, 999 and then so on. First of all, you are familiar with the 9 table, that is how to write the 9 table. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And next, writing these numbers in reverse order, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and so on. But one thing we will observe in this table, the sum of the digits is always 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. The sum of all these digits is equals to 9. Now let us go for the examples. 5, 4, 9, 7, 6, 5, 3 into 9,99,999. What is the answer for this? I will write the answer directly here. 549 76 52 45 02 3 4 7. This is the answer. How I written this answer? And one more example I will give here. 76543 9 into 99,999. Even for this is also I will write the answer here. 76543 38 23 45 6 1 is the answer. But you might have wondered here. Let us take the smaller numbers like 34 into 99. But this rule is applicable when the number of digits are same. Here 2 digits are there, here also 2 digits are there. Here 6 digits are there, here also 6 digits. Here 7 digits are there, here also. Sorry, here must be 7 digits. Here also 7 and here also 7 digits are there. If the number of digits are equal, then only this rule is applicable. First we should write the number 1 less than 34. What is the number 1 less than 34 means? That is 33. And the sum of the digits is equal to 99. Sorry, 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And another example, 2063 into 9,999. Here 4 digits are there, here also 4 digits are there. First we should write one number less for 2063. What is the one number less for 2063 means? That is 2062. And 2 plus 7 is equal to 9 and 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2062 7937 is the answer. One more example. 567 into 999. Here also 3 digits and there also 3 digits are there. We should subtract 1 from this number. 567 minus 1 means 566. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. This is the answer. Next, in the multiples of 9, the second case is here. 54 into 9,999. But here the number of digits are not equal. Here 2 digits are there, here 4 digits are there. But how many digits are extra here? 2 digits extra are there. And next, first we should write one number less for 54, that is 53. But here 2 digits are extra, those are 99. First we should write here 99. And next for 5, to get the sum is equal to 9, 4, 3 and 6 is the answer. And next second one, 9354. What is the answer for this? Here 4 digits are there, here 7 digits are there. But when we multiplying with 4 digits with 7 digits, here 3 digits extra. And one number less for 9,354 means that is 9,353. 9 digits are extra. Write this 3 9 digits, and next for 9 to get the sum is equal to 9, that is 0. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. This is the answer. One more last one example. 3 0 5 3 2 enter. Here 5 digits are there. There 7 digits. 30,532 into 99 lakhs 99,999. When you are multiplying with this, here 2 digits are extra. First we should write one number less for 30,532, that is 30,531, and 2 digits extra are there, so we need to write these 2 digits. And 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.